Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are in the pink of your health. So take care first. Okay, today we're gonna learn how to draw a simple house-like structure using C++. Okay, so I think there is no one who hasn't drawn a simple house-like structure in their childhood. So that house-like structure we're gonna draw today. So before get into this, I request you to go and watch previous two videos in which we were explaining the two basic functions of graphics.h header file, that are rectangle and line. Okay, so now we are starting here. So we are going to create new file. So maximize the screen. Now we are storing our file, that is we are saving. So we are giving here simple name house. Okay, so .cpp is the extension in C code. Okay, C++ code. So when you going to save your file in C++ coding, then CPP is the extension by which that C++ program going to save. So we know three basic header files in C++, that are iostream.h and conio.h, and we know what is use of iostream.h and conio.h. So iostream.h gives you the input and output framework, and conio.h give you a two basic function, which is clear screen, which clears the screen. Okay, and get.ch function, which holds the two screen, output screen and our script screen, in which we are writing the code actually. So I'm including here three header files. First two header files. So we successfully added two basic header files in C++ coding. Now we are going to add a third most important header files, that is graphics.h header file, which is most essential header files in our code. Okay, so we have successfully included three header files. Now we're gonna start our actual code from our main function. So now I'm here declaring the main function. Okay, so when compiler reach towards this main function, so the actual execution of code is going to perform. Okay, so main function is very important in our code. So now here I'm declaring a variable. We require two variables actually. So first is GD, which is graphics driver, and GM, which is graphics mode. So now here I'm going to declare. Okay, so we have successfully included our graphics driver and graphics mode variable. Now clear screen is important because when we are going to execute our code, then we might get stuck because of screen problem. Okay, so the next function is initgraph function. You know about the initgraph function, so I'm not going to explain it one more time. So now we are going to load that graphics driver and graphics mode, okay, in our code, and we will also give the path where a BGI folder, and within the BGI folder the all the graphics files are present. Okay, so I'm here going to load that graphics driver and graphics mode and give path. So in my system, path is like C colon who forward slash TC, capital TC, then again forward slash, and then PGI in capital. Okay, okay, so we have successfully included our graphics driver and graphics mode in our code. So now we are going to draw a house like structure using that two function of graphics.h header file. Okay, so first I'm including here a rectangle function of graphics.h header files. Okay, so let me include. I'm here using coordinate as 250, then 160, then 420, then 300. Okay, so coordinates is done with first rectangle function. Then let's see how it looks like. Okay, okay, now see, no error. See, output is here. So this is our first rectangle. So then let's include next rectangle function. Okay, now here I'm using coordinates as 180, then 230, okay, then 223, and then 300. Okay, so then third rectangle function. Okay, now here I'm including coordinates as 305, 205, 345, and 255. Okay, so our three first rectangle functions completed. So now we all use line function. Okay, so all should be line function. So let's see how it look like. No error. See, this is our door and this is our window. Again, that big rectangle is our wall. So half house like structure is completed. Now let's move on. So line, and here I'm using coordinates as 345, 205, 345, 255. Okay, let me include that. Okay, complete. I'm copying here this function. Okay, because now all functions are line. Okay, so it's not important to write again and again. So I'm copying here. Okay, so copy, and then so we required now 8-line function more. Okay, so two times is completed. Okay, so 3 times completed. Okay, so first we give the coordinate. Okay, so first line is completed, no? So next line function is incomplete. Okay, so now here I'm using coordinate as 325, then 205, 205, then 345, not 345, 325, 325, and then 255. Okay, so this is completed. Now this third line function 200, 100, 200, 100, then 250, 160, 250, 160. Okay, then this is also completed. Now fourth function, and I'm here using coordinate as 200, 100, 200, 100, 150, 160, 150, 160. Okay, so then fifth, and here I'm using coordinates 150, 160, 150, 160, 250, 160, 250, 160. Okay, so now next line function we are including 200, 100, 200, 100, then 370, then 100. Seems like boring, no? Okay, so next we are using coordinate as 370, 100, 420, 160. Done. Then next I'm using coordinate as 150, 160, then 150, then 300. Okay, so last line coordinate are 150, 300, 150, 300, then 250, 250, then 300. Okay, so our house like structure is completed in script mode. Okay, so let's see output. First we save the code, so I'm here saving the code. Okay, Okay, so now just compile. Okay, there is no one. No, there is no error. So run. Okay, so this is our house-like structure, guys. See, this house we had drawn in our childhood on white paper. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.